Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video about how I deep fried this fish fillet, and I hope you subscribe to see more videos of me making food because I love making food. So yeah, let's get started. Here we have our fish. These are our fillets, very fresh, and we will be using 2 lemons in this video, some salt, and we will have our knives and bowl to marinate it in. Look at how juicy. Okay, not quite juicy, but they will be. We will turn that into something so edible and so good. Yeah, let's start by straining all the juice from the lemons. How I marinate my fish is just by using a lemon, fresh or can be some days old, and then mixing that lemon with some salt, and then that's it. Some salt and lemon, and then you let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you deep fry it. So I'm going to dip my fish here and let it marinate for a bit, or maybe 5 minutes, and then as I wait for the oil to get to a boil, and then I will deep fry the fish. So make sure that everything mixes well, the lemon and the salt and the fish. Usually I get my fish or any fresh meat from city market. Also make sure you test to feel if the salt and everything balances. And because these fillets are quite big in shape, we are going to reduce that by cutting again into a half. Also guys, if you happen to hear the noise, I'm having cleaners clean my seats, and it's a Saturday, so I want to prep my meat. So we are going to deep fry this. My personal preference when deep frying is using a longer spatula because I do not want to get burnt by the oil, because sometimes little of that oil gets in touch with your skin. It's a disaster. You'll get burnt. I love it when my fish is this brown. Oops. When my fish is already brownish in color, like this. So let's wait for the rest to be same color. They are almost there. This will be so delicious, guys, with some ugali and spinach. Oh yes, that's what I want to prepare for dinner. So that's the first batch. It's ready, but just look at how brown those are. Yeah, this is the final batch, and this is how it's looking. Maybe this overcooked, but the rest are awesome. Some are soft because I want my babies to eat the soft ones while I eat the crunchy ones. Just look at that. This is and they are quite soft actually. The ink is hard and you can eat it as it is. You can eat this as it is. It's cooked and yummy. Yeah, let's finish this. After this, I would just fry my fish with some onions and tomatoes, and then that's it. With some spinach and ugali, you are good to go. So this concludes this video, guys. I hope you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you in my next one.